Friends and my friends, I have it now. This is the new iPhone 17 Pro, and here I have some of its accessories. Let's unbox the new iPhone. Alright, time to unbox the new iPhone 17 Pro, but first, a good coffee. Alright. Tell me, what are you drinking while watching this video? I'm having one myself. An Americano is just right for this unboxing, but let's get straight to the point, just how I like it. Let's unbox the new iPhone 17 Pro. And what do you think of my Hola check and back? I have the silicone case for the iPhone 17 Pro in blue and in yellow. Obviously, the iPhone here is the blue one, this is the iPhone 17, and I also have the MagSafe fine woven wallet. So let's do the unboxing. Right here, let's start with the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro. This year there are 3 new colors, which includes this one here. There's also an orange color and another more silver color, but I have the blue one, so let's get straight to the point. Let's unbox the new iPhone 17 Pro. Check out the box, you know it's pretty minimalistic. We have iPhone on the sides, also iPhone, and on the back we have all the information about this model, you know, minimalistic boxes. So let's see what's inside. Alright, now it's the moment of truth. Here we have it. Oh, it feels pretty good this year. It also has new materials and it has a technology that makes it much more efficient. Remember that it has the A19 Pro chip also. All the cameras are 48 megapixels, and for the first time we have an 8x zoom in one of these cameras. Also notice how the flash is now located on the right side along with the microphone and the light detection and ranging sensor. This part here is made of glass to allow for MagSafe charging, which is now much faster. Here we have the iPhone antennas, so now we have better signal and better reception. But first, let's remove the protective film for the first time. Wow, it feels really good. This iPhone also has a battery that lasts quite a long time. It's the longest lasting battery in an iPhone so far. In this model, it gives you up to 33 hours. Here we have the button to lock it, unlock it, turn it on and turn it off. Here is the camera control, and down here we have the USB Type-C port, the speakers, here we have the volume controls and the action button. I really like how it feels. I love how new Apple products smell, and honestly, I really like this color. Let's turn it on for the first time. And while it turns on, let's see what else is inside the box. We have the USB Type-C cable, it's C to C, and we also have the manuals here. The stickers don't come anymore, which honestly I never stuck them anywhere, but I like the feeling of having them there. And there's nothing else inside the box. The iPhone is ready to use, and by the way, it comes with iOS 26, which is the newest iOS so far and also the most powerful. We have a lot of features. Renewed Apple Intelligent, we have liquid glass, it has a ton of features. In fact, there's already a video on my channel using it day to day and showing you what it's like to use iOS 26, but I'm going to set it up and tell you a little more about it. The new iPhone 17 Pro has a lot of new features. And what about the materials? Now we have an aluminum body, and the front is the most resistant Apple has ever made because it's made of ceramic shield. Therefore, it's much more resistant. And on the back we have glass here so we can have MagSafe, which allows for much faster charging. Also, another cool thing is that now all the models start at 256 gigabytes, and in the Pro Max version, there's one that gives you up to 2 terabytes. This one weighs 206 grams and has a 6.3-inch screen, and the Pro Max version is 6.9 inches. Therefore, this year the screens are also a little bit bigger. Also, as I was saying, they have the A19 Pro chip, so they're pretty powerful. And something new that's happening for the first time in iPhone history in Mexico is that all the versions that arrive are eSIM. If you notice, we no longer have the slot to insert a physical SIM. Now many users will say, hey, but how do I get an eSIM? Well, with your carrier, if you go and ask, the main ones have eSIM, but I have my own carrier with Jimmy D. Let's put it to the test. Jimmy Alvarez, we have Revo and we have eSIM. In fact, it's our star product and honestly it works really well. So if you just bought the new iPhone and you don't know where to get your eSIM, with us you can have it in seconds. Check it out. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to revotelecom.com. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description. Look, there's good old Jimmy. All our recharges have a cause. You're going to support a social cause every time you recharge. Whether it's street dogs, children with cancer, or planting trees, planting life, and honestly our plans are quite affordable. Now for the launch we have a special promotion. If you transfer your number with us, we give you triple the gigs. So when you transfer your number with us for 189, you get 12 gigs. We have several plans, or we have the unlimited one for 399 pesos. It's pretty good, so here you choose the plan you want. For example, let's choose the unlimited one. Then you enter your email so we can check if it's compatible with eSIM, and that's it. It's that easy to pay for your SIM, and you'll receive a QR code with the eSIM in your email. And right away, you'll be able to connect to the best network. To Revo, this social venture together with Jimmy, and to transfer your number with us so we can activate this promo for you. You just click the WhatsApp button that's around there, it'll open WhatsApp and you say, hey, I just switched to Revo. My temporary number is, and you enter the one you receive by message and we'll reply to you right away and help you make your number part of Revo, of the revolution. We're already ready for the new iPhones. Let me know in the comments if you're already part of Revo. But going back to the iPhone 17 Pro, there are a lot of things this year. It also has vapor chamber technology, which helps regulate the temperature better, making the battery last much longer. And also, this iPhone is more powerful, all thanks to the combination of iOS 26 and the A19 Pro chip, which is honestly insane. I would say that this iPhone is aimed at all those people who want professional cameras, because nowadays the iPhone is already pro. There are movies that are filmed with iPhone, there are already several out there, and even Apple made one. You can now take professional photos with any of its 348 megapixel lenses. The video is really good. We can record in cinema mode, which honestly records amazingly. There are so many cool things that came out this year, and something I really like is this feature right here in the camera. If you notice, now it's more minimalistic, but when taking selfies we have this new feature called auto rotate, and what it's going to do is detect if there are more people in my photo and it will widen the shot. If you're into gaming, remember that this year with iOS 26 we have the Games app, and this iPhone will definitely support all your favorite games and all your favorite apps will run very smoothly. The screen is a high dynamic range display with ProMotion technology and has a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which depending on the situation can go down to 1. It's an always on display that's always on, although you can turn this feature off. Anyway, there's a lot of technology, it's water and dust resistant, there are a lot of new things. This is more of an unboxing. Obviously I'm going to make a more detailed, more dedicated video, a review, a 24-hour test the way I like to do it, with day-to-day use. What do you think? If we open the accessories now, look, like I was saying, I have these two cases and the wallet. Let's start with this case here, which is the Silicon Case 6. It feels pretty good, and here we have MagSafe. Let's open this one here, which is also silicone. It's just a different color. I'll show them to you. These are the new colors and the new cases available this year, like the new color, which is blue, I'm going to put the blue case on it. There it is, and these are MagSafe cases, so the phone detects that you put on a MagSafe case, and honestly, it feels pretty good. We also have the wallet. Here it is. It also feels pretty good. Let me know if you still use a wallet. Honestly, I still do, but sometimes I also use the Apple one. Look, it detects that it's MagSafe and you can add it to Find My so you never lose it again. Friends, this was the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro. If you haven't subscribed yet, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. There are many more videos coming, more products, and obviously the review. But for that, I have to use it over the next few hours, the next few days, and I'll tell you all the details. Let me know if you like the new iPhone. Let me know if you're going to buy it. It officially arrives in stores this Friday, so let me know in the comments if you're going to get it. I'll read your comments. I'm Andres Neshudo. See you in my next video. Big hug. Goodbye.